Howdy everyone! Today, we will see how to display sales notification alerts using Notification X on your WordPress website. Let's get started. Before getting started, make sure you have installed Notification X and a supported e-commerce plugin on your WordPress website. First, from your WordPress dashboard, go to Notification X. Then, from the Notification X dashboard, tap Add New, give a title, and select Sales Notification from the type. After that, select a source for which you want to show the notification. Here, we have selected WooCommerce. Then, click on the Next button. Choose a theme for the desktop or mobile version of your sales notification. Toggle the Advanced Design to customize the design of your notification. Here, you can choose the background color, text color, link background, and text color typography, background image, and custom CSS customization option. Then, click on the Next button. Next, you will find the Content section. Here, from the template, choose in which format you want to show the notification to your visitors. Enable the Advanced Template option to write the copy of your notification on your own. In this section, you can also enable or disable the showing of notifications in a random or structured order. Next, select the specific product or product category, or both, from the Show Purchase option. Exclude product or product category and select the order status. From the link options, add a specific link type and customize the button text. You can also add a UTM link control here. Then go to the next section. From the display option, select the image for your sales notification alert. You can also control the visibility of the image, where you want to show the image, and to whom you want to display it. Go to the next option, and from the appearance, select the position of your notification. Here, you can also control the queue management, specific timing of the notification, different sound settings, and many more. After all the customization, select the preview to see how the notification will look before publishing. Once finalized, click on the Publish button to make the notification live on your website. From your website, you will see that after a successful purchase, the sales notification will appear on your website based on your preferred customization. This is how you can simply add a sales notification alert to your WordPress website. Was this video helpful? Do not forget to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tutorials.